The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue is not just another luxury SUV. It is the most surprising entrance Ferrari has made in its entire automotive history. For decades, Ferrari was known only for low-slung supercars, aggressive coupes, and screaming V12 engines built for the racetrack. Nobody expected the Italian brand to take the risk of building a family-friendly SUV. But Ferrari shocked the world, and in 2026, the Purosangue is trending across the United States, Europe, Middle East, and Asia because it completely changes the idea of what a Ferrari can be. When people hear the word SUV, they think comfort, space, utility, and practicality. But Ferrari thought differently. They created an SUV that feels like a supercar, drives like a supercar, and sounds like a supercar. The Purosangue is proof that the world's most famous sports car company can enter a new segment without losing its identity. One press of the accelerator reminds everyone that this is still pure Ferrari DNA. Under the hood, the 2026 Purosangue carries a hand-built V12 engine. While other luxury brands switch to smaller turbo engines and hybrids, Ferrari keeps the excitement alive with a naturally aspirated V12 that delivers a thunderous sound. The power is instant, the response is sharp, and the speed is unbelievable for an SUV. 0 to 100 kilometers in a few seconds, and it keeps climbing with the same confidence as a Ferrari supercar. The Purosangue is not just a comfortable family SUV, it is a performance beast that can outrun many sports cars. The design is another reason why the Purosangue is going viral. It does not look like a traditional boxy SUV. Instead, it has a sleek aerodynamic shape inspired by Ferrari's racing heritage. A long bonnet, sharp LED headlights, wide fenders, and a sporty rear give it the aggressive attitude that brings attention wherever it goes. The Rosso Corsa red color makes it instantly recognizable on roads and social media. Influencers, collectors, and celebrities are showing it off, and millions of viewers are clicking to watch it. Inside the Purosangue, Ferrari focused on luxury and technology, but in a very unique way. Most SUVs come with large touchscreens and digital gadgets, but Ferrari wanted something more emotional. They designed the interior to feel like a sporty cockpit, not a living room on wheels. Both the driver and passenger get digital displays. The steering wheel houses the controls like a Formula One car. Premium leather, carbon fiber, ambient lighting, and a silent cabin make it a high-class experience, while still reminding everyone that this is a performance machine. The 2026 model also introduces new comfort features never seen in a Ferrari before. For the first time, rear passengers get individual seating with space, luxury armrests, and entertainment options. Families and VIP customers can travel with comfort without sacrificing performance. It's the first Ferrari you can drive daily, whether it's city traffic, long-distance road trips, or high-speed highways. One of the most interesting things about the Purosangue is its suspension system. Ferrari engineers created a smart, active suspension that keeps the SUV stable even at high speed. Sharp corners, uneven roads, and sudden bumps feel smooth and controlled. This is where Ferrari truly impressed the automotive world. They entered the SUV market and still delivered track-level handling. Car reviewers around the world have praised Ferrari for taking this bold step. Competitors like Lamborghini, Porsche, Bentley, and Aston Martin already have luxury performance SUVs. But Ferrari waited until they could create something that stands above the rest instead of following the trend. And that strategy worked. Within days of its global reveal, the Purosangue became one of the most searched SUVs online. It has become a status symbol. Anyone who buys a Purosangue is not just buying a car. They are buying a machine that makes a statement. It shows power, wealth, style, and exclusivity. Ferrari production numbers are limited, which makes it even more desirable. Only a few people will own one, and that rarity adds to its charm. The 2026 Purosangue also shows Ferrari's future direction. The company realized the world is changing. People want performance, but they also need practicality. The SUV segment is the hottest segment on Earth right now. Ferrari joined late but entered with confidence. And now they dominate conversations in the supercar world and SUV world at the same time. It is a historic moment because it proves Ferrari can evolve without losing its soul. Fans who were against the idea of a Ferrari SUV have changed their minds after seeing the Purosangue perform. It turned skeptics into believers. It turned critics into fans. Many say that the Purosangue is the most important Ferrari launch of the 21st century. So when you see it on the road, remember that this SUV is not just a family vehicle. It is a piece of Italian engineering art, built to carry the Ferrari legacy into the future. The world wanted to know if Ferrari could stay true to its performance DNA in a new category, and the Purosangue answered the question loudly. Yes, Ferrari can enter any class and still remain the king. The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue is not just a new model. It is a message that Ferrari is unstoppable, evolving and ready to conquer roads in a new way. And for millions of people watching online, this is just the beginning of a new chapter in Ferrari's powerful automotive story.